In this video, let's talk about how do Porsche wheel spacers work.
Porsche wheel spacers can be installed as aftermarket parts. The high-quality Porsche wheel spacers can help the Macan with more modifications and upgrades, including brake system upgrades, aftermarket wheels adaptation, cosmetic changes, better handling, and more. Porsche wheel spacers offer easy and quick wheel position adjustment, allowing the wheels to be moved outward to a specific position, usually first with the fenders, while ensuring the structural safety of the Macan. The lines of the Porsche Macan will be fuller, giving the vehicle an aggressive and track-filled appearance. Using Porsche wheel spacers allows you to safely fit wider tires on your existing wheels, or upgrade to bigger wheels without rubbing against the frame, wheel hub assembly, or other suspension components, improving traction and handling even more. We usually install 12mm wheel spacers on the front of the Macan, and the overall result is perfect and full. This is also the choice of many Porsche owners who buy the Bonus Forged Lightweight Plus wheel spacers. Bonus also offers a choice of wheel spacer size from 3mm to 15mm, and you can choose whether or not you want to pair them with extending wheel bolts. Bonus Porsche Macan wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge makes the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics, such as high strength, wear resistant, excellent thickness, impact resistant, and high temperature resistant. This melt has good mechanical properties. By contrast, Bonus insists on producing professional Porsche Macan wheel spacers, which are far higher than the industry safety and professional standards.
See you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.